Good morning, students. Today, let us discuss the use of preposition in a sentence. At first, I should tell you what preposition is. A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. They act to connect the people, objects, time, and locations of a sentence. Prepositions are usually short words and they are normally placed directly in front of nouns. In some cases, you will find prepositions in front of gerund verbs. For example, he swam across the pool. The cat is under the table. Here, the noun is the pool, and just before it, there is across, which is a preposition. In another sentence, the noun is the table and the preposition under is used just before it. Now, types of preposition. For time, in, on, at are used. For place, in, on, at are used. For direction, towards, to, through, into are used. For agent, by and with are used. For instrument, by, with and on are used. For phrase, listen to, add to, agree with, according to are used. Preposition of time. In. When something is located inside of a defined space. For example, there is water in the glass. It is also used for a wider extent of space or time. For example, we shifted to a new place in February. It also shows future time. For example, the meeting will begin in about 15 minutes. Preposition on. It is used with days and dates. For example, I shall meet you on next Friday. Preposition at. It relates to the point of time. For example, I will meet you at lunch. Preposition of place. In. It is used to express the specific space in an object or area. For example, there are a lot of animals in the zoo. Preposition on. It suggests a specific place. For example, the notice was pasted on the display board. Preposition at. It suggests a certain place in a given area. For example, he stays at Rani Bagh. Now, preposition of direction. Towards. It indicates movement in a particular direction. For example, he is coming towards me. Preposition through. It refers to movement within a space. For example, we are passing through the village. Preposition to. It is used to refer to a place or event. For example, I am going to teach you. Preposition into. It shows motion inwards. For example, he dived into the river. Preposition of agent. By. It relates to the agent or doer. It is also used with means of transport. For example, the man was bitten by a snake. We will go by taxi. Now, preposition with. It is used to relate the instrument for doing something. For example, she can write with both hands. Now, you must know that certain words are followed by certain prepositions. You must go through the list.